Welcome to a rare opportunity to own a custom-built 2018 home in a well-established street, where quality, craftsmanship, and thoughtful design stand out from the moment you arrive. As you step inside, you're greeted by a beautifully appointed dining room, highlighted by a tray ceiling and elegant architectural details that create the perfect space for both everyday meals and special gatherings. Just beyond, the home opens into a spacious living room featuring a coffered ceiling, recessed lighting, and a striking granite surround fireplace, offering a warm and inviting place to relax or entertain. The heart of the home is this elegant kitchen, designed with both function and style in mind. You'll find the full-height cabinetry, granite countertops, a large center island with seating, stainless steel appliances, and a gas range, all seamlessly connected to the main living space. The main floor also has a well-finished powder room, thoughtfully designed with quality materials and finishes that carry throughout the home. Now, upstairs here, you'll find 4 generously sized bedrooms, each offering comfortable space, natural light, and flexibility for family, guests, or a home office. This full bath upstairs carries all of the same quality and elegance you'll find throughout the entire home. In addition, a large bonus loft provides even more versatility upstairs, perfect for a second living area, playroom, or workspace. Now, the primary suite is a true retreat, featuring a tray ceiling, a spacious walk-in closet, and a thoughtfully, beautifully finished ensuite bath with granite counters, custom tile, and a frameless glass shower. Convenience is key, with a second-floor laundry room making everyday living just a little bit easier. Outside, the home sits on nearly half an acre, offering a large, open backyard with endless possibilities, along with a covered porch that's perfect for relaxing or entertaining. From its custom build quality to its modern layout and rare, newer construction setting, this home truly stands apart. I'm Adam Summers with KW Advantage. For more information or to schedule a private showing, reach out anytime.